enhances the user experience by providing a continuous stream of music tailored to the listener's preferences. Through AI, Spotify has managed to create a dynamic UI that not only looks good, but also feels good to use. It's a perfect example of how AI can be leveraged to build user-friendly interfaces that are personalized and intuitive, so the next time you're enjoying your favorite tunes on Spotify, remember that there's a powerful AI working behind the scenes, making your music experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible. Through AI, Spotify has transformed its UI into a personalized, user-friendly platform that understands and caters to individual music tastes. So what does this mean for the future of UI design? Well, it's an exciting horizon. Artificial intelligence is redefining the boundaries of UI design, injecting a level of personalization that was once unthinkable. It's like having a design assistant who knows each user's preferences and adapts the interface accordingly. Imagine opening an app and finding it already tailored to your unique needs and tastes. That's the power of AI. It can predict what a user may need or want, even before they know it themselves. AI also brings the ability to adapt to user behavior. This means it can learn from every interaction, continuously improving and refining the interface. Over time, this results in a user experience that is not just friendly, but truly intuitive. The potential of AI in UI design goes beyond the surface aesthetics. It's about creating a seamless, immersive, and personalized experience for every single user. With AI, the possibilities for UI design are limitless, creating interfaces that are not just user-friendly, but user-intuitive. In conclusion, the synergy of AI and UI design is a game changer. It's altering the landscape of user interaction, making it more intuitive, personalized, and efficient. Remember, we discussed how AI aids in predicting user behavior, automating design processes, and creating adaptive interfaces. This is the future of digital interaction. As we continue to integrate AI in UI design, we are set to revolutionize the way we interact with digital